In today's video, I want to share 9 ways women can earn an online income while working from home. I will share freelancing ideas, working from home in Germany, and home-based business ideas. So watch till the end, as I will also share how to start a home cooking business in Germany the right way, which is totally legal. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hassan, and on this channel we discuss business and personal finance in Germany. I know most ladies do not watch financial channels, but my motivation for making this video is to help you save time, because 2 years ago when my wife came to Germany, she wasted a lot of precious time waiting for the slow German bureaucratic process to finish. Waiting for an appointment, you can get started with some of the ideas I'm going to share in today's video. Did you know that if you are on a spouse visa, you can start working as soon as you get your ID card, and in some cases you can even work with just your visa. Alright, the first thing you need to check if you are eligible to work in Germany and even start your own business is to check your visa or your ID card. On the remarks section, you will see if you are eligible to work or not. If you see Erwerbstätigkeit is started, this means that you are allowed to work and even register a business in Germany. If there are other remarks written, then please consult someone before proceeding forward. Okay, now that you know that you are eligible to work in Germany, you can, number 1, work as an employee. In this case, you search for a job, get a contract, and work based on your contract conditions. Number 2, work as a freelancer. And number 3, register your business in Germany. Registering a business or registering as a freelancer is quite simple. All you have to do is fill out a form and send it to the Gewerbeamt, and this costs between 15 to 50 euros depending on your city. I have a detailed video in which I describe the step-by-step process to registering a business in Germany or registering as a freelancer here. Let's start with remote jobs. There are many web portals where you can search for remote or home office jobs. For example, Workwise, Glassdoor, Jubel, Indeed, and many others. Simply put in your requirements and start applying. Unfortunately, most of the remote jobs in Germany which do not require German language are somewhat related to IT and programming. If you get lucky, you may find a remote job in another field. But let me share a job category that does not require German skill and is almost always remote, and that is call center representative. If you have great English skills, call center firms in Germany are always looking for people like you. Next, we have freelancing on various platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. These platforms have so many options for you to earn a living with. Just have a look at these categories on Upwork. From video editing to book designing, bookkeeping to calendar management, there are so many categories to get started with. That said, having worked as a freelancer for 10 years, I do have to mention that it is not easy to get started with. Even if you are skilled, you have to create a good portfolio on these platforms, which takes time and patience. But once you have a highly rated profile, getting work gets quite easy. I would say register with Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, links in the description, and see which skills you can utilize to start earning from home. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to promote other companies' products or services in return for a commission you make on the sales. The commission is usually a percentage of the sale price, but might be a fixed amount too. Starting an affiliate marketing business has no starting costs, and this business is easy to scale. All you have to do is put your time and effort to get your business running, and once you get started, you can promote products from various companies to earn commission from all of them. A seller gives each affiliate a unique link so that they can track who was responsible for a sale. If someone buys a product using that link, the seller pays the commission to the marketer after a successful purchase. I have a complete course on starting an affiliate marketing business, which you can watch here. If you're liking the video so far, please hit the like button. Digital products. A digital product is any product you can sell online that does not have a physical form or substance. You can't smell an ebook or taste a software program or hold a digital painting in your hand, maybe if you print it out. I'm pretty sure you might have taken at least one course on Udemy or Coursera. But did you know that you can create your own courses and sell them? So if you can teach a skill, you can easily create your own course and sell it on Udemy or Skillshare. You can also create printable agendas, schedules, planners, artwork, scrapbooking asset, or something entirely else using completely free softwares. You just need an idea for which someone would be willing to pay. Another popular digital product you can create is writing ebooks. You can self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video on self-publishing with Kindle Direct Publish. If you have some programming skills, you can sell website templates, WordPress themes, or other programming snippets on websites like Envato, ThemeForest, or Graphics River. Stitching or embroidery business. If you have stitching or embroidery skills, you can give your services as a freelancer to make modifications to people's clothes, or you can even start your own business selling niche clothing items like athletic teams or schools, weddings and bridal parties, moms to be, grandparents. There are so many different options to choose from. Teaching. This is another area where you can easily start working as a freelancer. If you have some German skills, you can start courses on the various German language levels. If you do not want to teach German, you can always find advertisements of people who need help with German, English, or any other course. You can also advertise your own classes on eBay Kleinanzeige, Facebook Marketplace, and in universities, among other places. Photography. Everyone has a mobile phone these days with amazing cameras. But I assure you, most people do not know how to take proper pictures. You can use this to your advantage and start a photography business. You can start small by volunteering as a photographer in the next small gathering that you attend. Yes, you will have to sacrifice a little and walk around taking pictures of people in that event, but as a result, you will, number one, improve your photography skills, and number two, start building your own portfolio. As you start small, you can use your own mobile phone or borrow a DSLR camera from someone you know. You do not have to buy a camera when you start. As with anything worth doing, you have to be interested in it and learn as much as you can along the way. With time, you can start by charging small amounts, and once you think your photography skills are good enough, you can start offering portfolio shoots, wedding shoots, photo editing, etc. Dividend portfolio. This wouldn't be an investing channel if I didn't mention investing in stocks and ETFs. Now, this isn't a business and you need money to invest and start earning passive income from dividends. But you can start from as low as €1, and if you register using my link in the description, you can get a free stock worth up to €200. YouTube. Creating a YouTube channel is one of the most interesting things that you can do. You can create videos on absolutely everything. I have already mentioned 8 working from home ideas. If you decide to pick any of these ideas, you can also start a YouTube channel sharing your journey. For example, if you start a remote job as a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork, you can make videos on how to get a gig on Fiverr, tips on how to get your proposal accepted, or in the case of selling digital products, you can make a video on which platforms are best to sell a specific type of digital product. There are so many possibilities. I made this YouTube channel because I had started investing in stocks and ETFs, and I wanted to share the process with my friends. So you can do the same as well. If you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, you can watch my video here to get some tips that will definitely help you get started. Lastly, and this is the most popular business idea, and that is homemade food, cakes, and other cooked items. I'm sure you have seen dozens of posts on Facebook groups, Instagram, or Telegram regarding home cooked food businesses. It's one of the easiest business to get started with, but a vast majority of people who are doing this are doing it incorrectly. To set up a food business, you need to have to, number one, register your business with Gewerbeamt and get a Gewerbeschein. Number two, you have to attend a special session held by the Gesundheitsamt on personal, food and kitchen hygiene. At the completion of this session, you will get a hygiene certificate which is valid for usually between 1 to 2 years, and that can cost up to €40 depending on your city. Number 3, you have to inform the Gesundheitsamt where and how you will be cooking the food. Up until here, it's all fine. But to sell food, you need to have a commercial kitchen. Unfortunately, you cannot cook food in your home kitchen and sell it. You can set up a commercial kitchen at home, but it has to be separate from your personal kitchen. This can be a hassle for many, as you will need permission from your landlord and get an approval from the Gesundheitsamt. A workaround could be to talk to your nearest restaurant and use their commercial kitchen to cook your food and sell it. Obviously, this will hurt your profits, but it is the easiest way to set up your business legally. Here you might say, Asen, I have been doing my business without any registration. Why should I go through all of this hassle? Well, the answer is pretty simple. If you want your business to function within the German laws, you have to go through the legal steps. In worst case scenario, you can get a fine from Gesundheitsamt, Gewerbeamt, and the Finanzamt. So please be careful and follow the rules set up by the government. If I have convinced you to start working as a freelancer or starting a business in Germany, watch this video to get started with a step-by-step guide to the registration process. So thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.